Shopping on FashionNova, I personally think, is one of the easiest platforms to shop on, and I'm going to try and take you through this in 5 minutes. Let's see if I can do this. So first things first, you need to download the FashionNova app on Play Store, iOS. So I'm going to go ahead and download it on Play Store. I'm currently using my Samsung S24 Ultra. So I already have an account, so it's just going to ask for my email. But if you don't have an account, you're gonna have to sign up. So all you need is your email and a password and you're good to go. Anytime I'm shopping on FashionNova, I go to the sales section. I don't even bother seeing, like, checking what is new and all of that, because honestly, my budgets, the cedi to the dollar is not great. So I go straight. Hopefully when I become a FashionNova ambassador, I'll be able to shop from the what's new. But currently I shop on the sales section. So I go to the sales section, and under the sales section we have different categories. So you have things under $5, things under $9, things under $15. The things under $5 bust my brain. Like $5, you legit be seeing tops, jeans, shoes, bags. It's crazy. Shades for like 90 cents, bruh. You're missing out if you haven't checked out this app. Okay, so let's get back to the sales section. I'm showing you the different categories you have. You have $5 and under sale, $9 and under sale, $15 and under, and $18 and under. And now to my favorites. See at the top, you have shop all sale. You can't, it's going to be too much for you. Personally, I don't shop all sale. They also have 80% off blowout sale. Now that is where I like to go to and filter what I'm looking for. You can decide to check the under 5 sale if you're on a strict budget, okay? But I like to shop from the 80% off blowout sale. So when I go there, I immediately filter, because I'm not trying to maybe shop for bags or jewelry or whatever. I'm just looking for tops, jeans, jumpsuits, like this pretty one you see. This is a play suit. So like this pretty one I have on. So I filter it according to, I'm going to show you how to do it. So the filter tab is at the top, and all you have to do, first of all, you can even sort by featured, bestsellers, new arrivals, high to low, okay, and low to high. It's like they've made it super easy for you. I usually go for dresses, shoes, matching sets. So like that's like the 2-piece outfits, jumpsuits, skirts. I'm not really a skirt babe, so I don't really choose that. I go for shirts and blouses, bodysuits, rompers, sunglasses, jeans. So you're seeing all these things. You just choose according to what you're looking for. Now the next thing is the sizing. So the first time this is actually my second time. The first time I shopped with FashionNova, some of the sizing were very confusing. So for example, the jeans, you will not see maybe US 6, you see US 0, US 3, US 5. So I went online to check this out, and I saw that 3 and 5 were for small, and I thought, oh, perhaps the 3 was like way too small. So the first time I shopped, I chose 5. When it came, it was so big and so long. The jeans were so nice, but I was so pained because I bought like 6 jeans, because their jeans are so nice. So basically, if you're small like me or UK 8, I would say go for a 3, and if you're UK 10, 12, you can go for a 5. So yeah, take that from me. And before you buy something, please make sure to check reviews, okay? Anytime you find yourself shopping online, checking reviews is so important. Go and check and see what people have said. No matter how nice it looks on the bottle, make sure you are checking it, okay? Don't say I didn't warn you, so that you don't go and buy something. Anyways, so after you are done shopping, you can add everything to your cart. And now here's where I believe maybe people have some difficulty with. So now we are done shopping. You're gonna see that I'll attempt to use their code, but it's not going to work. It's not going to work because you're already shopping from the sales section, so they can't give you extra discounts, okay? Just go ahead and check out what you've shopped for. And I know when you shop above $128, you get free shipping, but that's only if you are in the US. If you are in any other parts than the US, you will pay shipping, okay? So the thing about FashionNova is you can either decide to pay duty on the app or let them ship it to your country and you pay duty there. And from the research I did before shopping on FashionNova, it's best to pay the duty on the app itself, because what happens is sometimes when it's shipped by DHL, FedEx, the duty that comes on your package can be crazy, like even more than whatever is calculated on the app. And I've watched a couple of videos where people were complaining about how high the duty was when they had to pay it before it was delivered. So I would advise that you just let the app calculate the duty for you, and you just add the shipping, and then they ship it straight to your house. So basically I chose the option for paying the duty on the app instead of in person. So when you get to the checkout option, here's where you're going to see different categories, right? So like I mentioned, there's international standard. I'm seeing $12.99 for the things I put in my cart for the purpose of this video or the example. And then you see duties and taxes. So you see pay now and pay on delivery. And that is what I was explaining, that it's better to pay on the app than let DHL deliver, than let DHL get your package and now calculate their duty on it. It's, please, you go insane. So just let's pay whatever the app calculates for you and then go your way. Just get it delivered to you straight away. So the total of what I shopped for was $42. Shipping was $12 and duties was $10. So it came to a total of $76.26. For this haul, my things came to a total of $128, I think, and then my duties plus shipping cost like $42, so it wasn't too crazy. So I've advised that you shop as many things on sale as possible so that it's not like too crazy. In terms of your details, all you need to do is enter your name, your number, your email, the zip code 00233, right? Yes. And concerning the address, this is where a lot of people have issues, like especially if you're in Ghana. All you need to do is write the name of your area and whatever you can write to show where you live, write it there, because once it comes to Ghana, they always call you for directions. They just want to know or have a sense of where you live. So if you live in Adrengano, you can write Adrengano and whatever name you find on Google Maps, put it there. When it's in Ghana, they are gonna call you and ask for directions to your place. So don't worry too much about that, okay?
And I don't know how I managed to forget to talk about the payment method, but basically there are different payment methods, and I use the Visa card payments. There's no option for mobile money, and so you're going to enter your card number, the expiry date, and the security code. The security code is the 3-pin number behind your card, and that's it. You're good to go.
So that's basically it. You just have to pay for the duty on the app. Choose that option than paying for the duty once it gets to Ghana, because it's going to be outrageous. In terms of the delivery period, the first time I shopped on FashionNova, it took just 6 days. I was so surprised. I was like, what, 6 days? And then I went on to shop a second time, and this time around it took like 10 days, 10 or 12 days, I'm not too sure, but I'll do the math and then put it there. So just gauge between 6 to, let's say, 10 days. Okay, 6 to 12 days. I don't know what they used to determine how fast it would come to Ghana, but I was so excited the first time I ordered it. It took just 6 days, because I've shopped on Shein a couple of times and it took just 6 days. But shopping on FashionNova is like the easiest for me personally. I've not had any issues. I just pay for my duty and my shipping, and it comes straight to my doorstep. And yeah, that's it. So that's basically all it entails to shop on FashionNova. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Which outfits were you feeling? Do you love this one? I love it. Anyways, I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye. Bye, Fynnbees.